Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook banh mi with chicken. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring a delightful culinary journey. This classic Vietnamese sandwich combines savory chicken with fresh, vibrant ingredients, all nestled in a crusty baguette. Get ready to impress your taste buds and your friends with this incredible homemade meal. It's easier than you think to achieve authentic flavors right in your own kitchen. The heart of your banh mi is the chicken, so let's make it amazing. Use about 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs as they stay juicy. Whisk together 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 minced garlic cloves, and 1 teaspoon of finely chopped lemongrass. Marinate for at least 30 minutes, then cook until golden brown and cooked through, reaching an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let's talk about the other crucial elements that make a banh mi truly special. You'll need a fresh, crusty baguette sliced lengthwise. Spread a thin layer of mayonnaise and, if you like, a touch of pâté on the inside. Add your quick-pickled carrots and daikon, fresh cilantro sprigs, thin cucumber slices, and a few jalapeno rounds for a little kick. These components provide essential texture and flavor. With all your components ready, it's time to build your masterpiece. Carefully place the thinly sliced, flavorful chicken into the prepared baguette. Then, layer in your vibrant pickled vegetables, crisp cucumber, and fragrant cilantro. Don't forget those spicy jalapeno slices if you enjoy a bit of heat. Close up your sandwich and serve it right away to savor the incredible blend of savory, sweet, sour, and spicy flavors. Enjoy your homemade chicken banh mi.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.